This is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm here with Liz, and she's going to help me demonstrate one of our newer products. It is a 6-digit 4-inch display. It is a networked POE. It's powered over the network, and it's a number display that's a multifunction. It can do a timer up, timer down, time of day clock, 12, 24 hour. It can do individual numbers in any format. It can do just a static number display with or without colons. So it gives you a lot of flexibility over your commands, your command line, and it's just typing in specific commands to do those functions via a web page, web browser page that is a resident on the network card. And so you would essentially get into and find the IP address of the display. We call this part number as a DC-406N-T-DN-UP-STATIC. So that's kind of representation of all the functions they can do with the addition of time of day in 12 and 24 hour mode. So I'm going to go ahead and hand the mic over to Liz. She's going to walk you through. Once you find the display's IP address, you type in the IP address into your web browser. It pulls up this web page that you see in front. And it does have full description of how to enter the data that you would send for whatever function that you're wanting to perform. And then there is an entry bar at the top where you would put the what you have determined to be the code that you would like to enter, and basically hit go or enter. And so Liz is going to go ahead and take you through some of the functions. Right now we just have static zeros and colons displayed, and so I'm going to let her have the mic. Go ahead, Liz. Thank you.
So the first function I'm going to show you is a 24-hour clock mode. So for that we would type in TC2 and then whatever time it is in 24-hour format. So let's say it's 23 hours, 59 minutes, and 53 seconds. Then you type in 2 asterisks to send it to every display of these that you have and hit send.
So our displays are addressable.
Yeah.
Do you know how many addresses we can accommodate?
So it you can do groups A through Z and channels A through Z.
Okay.
And each display will get its own unique group and channel identification. So if you order 4 of these displays and we're starting from the beginning, you'll get AA, AB, AC, and AD.
Okay. And then asterisk sends it to all, right? It's like it's an all display.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good.
And then so this is currently 24 hours. It rolled over to midnight. So for a 12-hour clock, we type in TC1 for AM or TC0 for PM. And then let's say it's 7 o'clock in the morning, so 07 0000 with the asterisks at the end and hit send. Now it's 7 o'clock in the morning.
12-hour mode.
Yep.
Okay.
And then next one's going to be an up timer. So for that we type in TU, and then 1 is going to start the timer as soon as you hit send. And let's start it at 0 hours, minutes, and seconds. So 000000.
Asterisk.
Yep. And it starts coming up as soon as you send it. And
Go ahead.
Oops, sorry. You can see the colon up in the upper left. It tells you it's a count up timer.
So we have a decimal point up here for up timer, and we have a decimal point down here for down timer when we get to that. So you can send it. You can go ahead and send it all zeros and start. You can hit or you can set the start value. Correct.
Yep. So for the timer, so you can also pause it while it's counting up or down. So to do that, you type in TU2, and then any 6 numbers, doesn't matter which, because it knows to ignore those. And then as soon as you hit send, it pauses the count up timer. If you were trying to pause a countdown timer, it would be TD instead of TU. So let's show the countdown timer next. And then I'm going to send a number to the display that I want the timer to start at, but it's not going to start right away. So I'm going to type in TD0995959 and 2 asterisks. And that's the maximum value that the timer can count up to or down from. So if I hit send, it displays the timer value I sent, but it hasn't started it yet. But if I type in TD3 and then any 6 numbers followed by 2 asterisks, it'll start counting down.
Very good.
Then the last type of display that this can show is a static display. So for that, you type in TS, and then 0 is going to have a number display without any colons or decimals. So if I type in 98, 2 colons, followed by 76, and press send, it shows a display with 98 on the far left, 2 blank digits, and 76. So if you type in colons while doing a static display, it leaves those digits blank.
Blank. Okay, so a colon is representing blank.
Yep.
So if you were like doing something or keeping score or something like that, you could use it for a score keeping type display. So basically what you have to have the first 2 are letters representing what the function is, and then the third letter is pretty much what that function's going to perform, whether it's starting, stopping, pausing, resuming, or whether it has in just static display, whether it has colons or not. So go, and do you have another?
Yeah, and then the last one that the static display can show, because we showed the colons at the beginning with 6 zeros, is a number with a decimal point. So if you send that, it's easy as pie.
Okay, well thank you, Liz.
You're very welcome.
This is a DC-406N-T-DN-UP-STATIC demonstration and instructional video. Liz and Jim with DC Digital. Thank you.